Have you ever wondered how life truly begins? From the moment a sperm meets an egg, to the growth of a tiny human inside the womb, to the final moment a mother hears the first cry of her newborn. Today, we are going to take you through one of the most beautiful and scientifically incredible journeys: conception, pregnancy, and baby delivery. Stay with me until the end. 1. Conception, fertilization. Life begins in a moment so small that the human eye can't even see it. Inside the woman's fallopian tube, millions of sperm fight through a long and difficult journey. Only a few survive. And finally, one single sperm reaches the egg. When the sperm enters the egg, something magical happens. Two sets of genetic material combine to form one tiny cell called a zygote. In that moment, the baby's gender, eye color, skin tone, and every unique feature are already determined. This is the beginning of human life. 2. Early development. Within hours, the zygote begins dividing. 2 cells. 4 cells, 8 cells, 16 cells, and more. For about a week, this cluster of cells travels down toward the uterus. When it reaches the womb, it attaches itself to the thick uterine lining. This is called implantation, and this marks the official beginning of pregnancy. 3. The first trimester, 0 to 12 weeks. This is the most delicate stage of pregnancy. The baby's heart begins to beat. Brain starts forming. Arms and legs appear. Tiny eyes and ears begin to shape. At this stage, the baby is called an embryo. Although small, this stage forms all the major organs the baby will need for life. 4. The second trimester, 13 to 26 weeks. Now, the embryo is called a fetus. This is when pregnancy becomes visible. The mother's belly begins to grow. Inside the womb, the baby begins moving. Fingerprints form. The baby can hear sounds and recognize the mother's voice. The gender becomes visible on ultrasound. The bones become stronger. The face becomes more defined. This is often the most enjoyable stage of pregnancy for mothers. 5. The third trimester, 27 to 40 weeks. This is the final stretch before birth. The baby rapidly gains weight. The lungs mature, preparing for the first breath. The brain grows faster than any other time. The baby slowly turns into the head-down position, ready for delivery. The mother may feel strong kicks, back pain, tiredness. Practice contractions known as Braxton Hicks. Every moment brings the baby closer to the outside world. 6. Labor begins. Labor usually begins when the mother feels regular and increasing contractions. The cervix starts to open from 1 centimeter to 10 centimeters. The amniotic sac may break, commonly called water breaking. This signals that the baby is ready to come. 7. The delivery. When the cervix is fully opened, the mother begins pushing. The baby moves gently down the birth canal. Then, the head appears, a moment called crowning. With one final push, the baby enters the world. A brand new life is born. The first cry fills the room. The cord is cut. The baby is placed on the mother's chest for warmth and bonding. 8. The placenta. After the baby is delivered, the body releases the placenta, the organ that fed and protected the baby for 9 months. This marks the end of the childbirth process, from a single cell, to a beating heart, to a fully formed child. The journey of life is a miracle, scientifically perfect, deeply emotional, and beautifully designed. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content.